Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing with you a super quick, hydrating, and delicious recipe, papaya with aloe vera juice. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's start with aloe vera, also known as Sibilla. It has so many health benefits. You can use it externally as a face mask, or internally like we'll do today by making this juice. Aloe vera has soothing, hydrating, regenerating, and anti-inflammatory properties. It's especially helpful for acne, detoxifying the body, and improving digestion. Together with papaya, they make an amazing combo. One of the most important things is that aloe vera helps regulate blood sugar levels. This means it can support people with diabetes by helping control glucose in the blood, especially for those with low insulin production. To prepare it, remove all the skin and keep only the clear inner gel. Make sure there's no green part left. Then place it in a bowl of water to remove as much latex as possible. That yellow liquid isn't iodine, as people used to think. It's actually latex that oxidizes and turns reddish brown, similar to iodine alcohol. Another bonus is that while preparing it, your hands get hydrated and soft thanks to aloe vera's soothing effect. I've got a good amount of aloe left, which I can use over the next few days. To store it, wrap the cup base with a paper towel, put it inside a plastic bag, and keep it at room temperature. It will stay perfectly fine. That way, you can keep using it for more papaya and aloe juice. Now, let's prepare the papaya. Peel it, remove the seeds, and cut it into pieces. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion and helps prevent constipation thanks to its high fiber and water content. I'm using enough for 3 glasses. If you like, you can add a few papaya seeds. They're antiparasitic, but just a little since they have a strong, peppery taste. Once ready, add the papaya pieces to the blender along with 2 medium chunks of aloe vera. If possible, blend without water to keep it thicker, but if not, add a little water like I did to help the blender. There's no need to add sugar. The fruit is naturally sweet enough. Blend until smooth and pour straight into your glass. I recommend not straining it so you can get all the nutrients. The texture is soft and you can't even taste the aloe vera. It makes the juice much easier to enjoy. Honestly, if no one told me it had aloe, I wouldn't even notice. And that's it. Our papaya and aloe vera juice is ready. It's a really quick and healthy recipe, perfect to enjoy in the morning. I hope you try it at home and love it as much as we enjoyed preparing it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Nutri-Intelligence, and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.